Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. I am about to go to this brunch event and I figured why not turn the camera on and do a cute little get ready with me. So if y'all want to see me transform for this brunch situation, stay tuned. All right, now y'all know I can't walk and chew gum, but I'm gonna really try to talk through this get ready with me. So first I am going to prime my face. Do I really have to get instructions of what I'm doing? Like, is that really necessary when you're doing get ready with me? I don't know. I kind of would like to just chit chat and do other things, but I'll try to remember. I am super excited about this brunch event that I'm going to. It is by the same people that if you watch my, what was it, dinner in New York video, it's by the same people. So I'm super excited because their events are always really nice. Food is always on point. Jillian always gives a great event. That's the person who owns the company, Signature Taste by Jillian. And her events just be amazing. So I'm looking forward to that and just getting out the house. Plus, I love a brunch situation, a daytime party. That is my jam. You get up, get dressed, have you some cocktails and some fun, a few little drinks. Then you come home, put your comfortable clothes back on, pour you another glass of wine, find you something to watch on TV. It just be a good thing, you know. I love, that's my type of get down. You hear what I'm saying? So I am just concealing, and I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer. Now I'm not gonna do the whole highlight and all that other stuff like that. Like I said, I'm wearing a hat, so it's gonna really cover all that. So what's the point? And I feel like because it's daytime, I'm not really trying to have like no overly made face. Just, you know, get a girl something. You know, you don't want to go outside looking like Who Shot John. Okay, eyebrows is done. Let's get into this tinted moisturizer. I'm using the Pore 4-in-1. Y'all have seen this 100 times. And like I said, I'm not doing too much because I'm wearing a hat. So just want to make sure the complexion is looking nice and even. I probably won't even be doing a lot of makeup, one, because pressed for time. Just press that on in. Like so, like that. I got like 30 minutes to get dressed.
Well, hello there, sunshine.
Hey.
How are you?
Fine. Can you pull the door back up, please?
What?
I'm recording.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry. I didn't see that then. My bad.
So instead of setting my face, I'm going to use my pressed powder to give myself a little bit more coverage. You know what I wanted to talk about real quick is I have not really been, well, I'll say I've kind of gotten, I don't know, I don't want to say I'm discouraged, but yeah, I guess I've kind of became discouraged with recording as of late, only because I just feel like I'm not getting, like, my views on my videos have really slowed down, and I can't understand because I don't feel like my content has changed. a lot. Like, I know that my hair is relaxed now, so, you know, I'm not doing a lot of natural hair videos, but I never really considered myself like a natural hair YouTuber. That's another thing. I never really been into having a niche per se. I enjoy makeup. I enjoy beauty and fashion. So I never really felt like I stuck to one thing. So I don't know if that is the case, but I just know that like the past few videos that I've posted have not been getting the views, and it's discouraging. It has been discouraging. So I'm not giving up though. I've been doing this for a while. The good thing is I do this as a hobby. If it blows up and turns into something major, like great, I can use the extra coin and all that comes with it. But I mainly do this as a hobby and for fun, and I know somebody out there watching and they like my videos and they enjoy them, so you know that feels good. But yeah, it has been quite discouraging to see how my views have have kind of fall. You know, they not the same. They just kind of went down. So I've just been kind of thinking of like, what can I do? I don't want to rebrand, and I'm not really for the niche. Like, shout out to everybody that has a niche when it comes to their videos. It just their whole brand and everything like that. Like, shout out to those people. That's just not really my thing, because while I respect it, I also see what comes behind it, and that is the viewers tend to, you know, kind of box you in, and I ain't really for that. Like, you know, I've seen where if someone who has a niche decides to do something outside of their niche, where, you know, their viewers or their subscribers kind of have an issue with that. And it's like, you know, why wouldn't you give people the freedom and the range to kind of do what they want to do on their channel? Like, it's their channel, you know, it's their channel, it's their creative outlet. And I feel like sometimes the subscribers they forget that. And so that's always been a thing for me. And honestly, just my attention span ain't long enough to be my attention span ain't long enough and to be trying to create different videos talking about the same thing. Like, how many wash and goes can I do? And now that I'm relaxed, how many short relaxed videos can I do before it starts to get redundant? Like, I can mow my hair, you know, so many different ways. Like, I can't reinvent the wheel. I feel like I can't reinvent the wheel that way, to be trying to stick with one particular thing. Like, that's just not my deal. So I've never really fallen into a niche. I've always just said my thing is beauty and fashion. And, you know, I went in saying, you know, when you look better, you feel better. Because I honestly, truly believe that. Like, I woke up this morning, my head was banging, eye jumping, everything. And just standing in the shower and taking some deep breaths and really just taking my time and enjoying, letting that water fall on my body has really helped. So yeah, that's what I'm into. Self-care. Oh yeah, and I add self-care too, because I do believe in self-care. So Yeah. So as far as so yeah. So just to have like one niche has never really been my thing. I'm pretty sure my boyfriend probably outside like, yeah, she don't have the attention span to be doing one thing. I'm sure he heard that. So yeah, so I've never really had a niche. Ooh, woo, 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 woo. No, I don't know. We're not doing that. That came, ooh, ooh. Okay, pigment. That was a lot. That's not the look I was going for, child. I wasn't even trying to do all that, child. No. Wait a minute. Go back to what I know. A little soft pink. Cover that up, child. Yes, here we go. All right. That other color was, woo. It popped out on me, child. I wasn't ready for that. So, yeah. So, like I said, I've been just trying to figure out what I can do on my channel. What I need to work on. Do I need to show more of my personality? I feel like I do, but I also know that I do kind of hold back a little bit. So I'm going to work on that. And then I'm also looking to see what exactly y'all enjoyed and how I can do it in such a way that I will enjoy doing it myself. I do enjoy doing the fashion videos and stuff like that, you know, so we'll probably see more of those, but I just really want to continue to grow my channel and also, but at the same time, do it in a way that I enjoy, because again, this is a hobby for me. You know, this hasn't become my livelihood, and to the point where I really have to zone in and focus on what I'm putting out. At the same time, I don't want to be putting and creating and no one is watching it. Like, that'd be a waste. That's the case, I could just FaceTime my friend and be like, hey girl, talk to me while I do this. So yeah, so I would love to know in the comments, like, what videos have I done that you enjoyed the most? And also, what would you like to see more of from me on my channel? Now, don't come put nothing in the comments that you know I ain't gonna do. Well, you ain't never seen me do. Like, oh shit, I am fucking up. So the videos that I do plan on doing more of is more Get Ready With Me. Get Ready With Me. I do want to vlog more. I just have to get out of my own way with that, because honestly, I do everything from my phone. I don't have a vlogging camera, and when I go places and I do stuff, I like to be there. But then at the same time, sometimes I do go places and be on my phone, so why not record? It's a catch-22. You know, I'm a Gemini. So yeah, I need to figure that out. But Get Ready With Me, more Get Ready With Me, more vlogs, more fashion, how to styles and all of that. I really want to, on my fashion, I really want to focus on, you know, shopping in your own closet and finding steals and deals, how to style without spending a lot of money. I noticed that, I know for myself, if I have an event or something that I have to do, my first inclination is to go and shop, to go buy something, and I know I can't be the only person. I just picked this up. Do I want to wear this? I feel like I'm gonna need a dope mascara since I'm having a hat, and we still wearing masks, which is another reason why I didn't go crazy on the makeup. So yeah, so I want to do, you know, how to style, how to shop in your closets, you know, pieces, how to build your wardrobe, pieces that you should have, and things like that. You know, I'm not really big on trends. Like, I'll get into some trends, but if I ain't really feeling it, I don't do stuff just for the hype. So if I ain't really feeling it, if I don't feel like it works for me in terms of fashion and stuff like that, I really don't do it. I feel like you should be able to dress your style. So maybe I'll do that, you know, how to, you know, create your style that works for you and your lifestyle. All that stuff. So I definitely want to do more of those. And the makeup, I know people love my makeup videos. They love how I apply makeup, all that, and I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. But it just be too much. And I'm low-key kind of lazy. It just be too much. Like, so when my makeup videos will be more so get ready with me. Cause where am I don't be going nowhere to be doing like no whole makeup videos, and I'm about to start doing too much now. So we about to stop because I wasn't even supposed to be doing all this. I was trying to keep it real low key. I think I did though. I don't think I overdid it. I think that's it. Yeah, so I'm set with my Magic Mist from e.l.f. I'm gonna put my clothes on so y'all can see the outfits, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, this is, y'all probably can't see me all the way, but this is the final look. Your girl rushing because it's time to go. Threw on my thigh-high boots, match perfectly with this top. Got on my Black History t-shirt with some jeans, and like I said, my fedora. Did a neutral lip. Kept it real simple. Babe!
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, here's your time to shine. Go stand up. Nah, I like the sweater better.
Oh, what, really?
I didn't know that that's what you was wearing.
Huh?
I didn't know that was it. Give us a moment, people. All right, go stand over there. Let's see. Do I got you in a... I'm recording, sir. And this is, oh, I can't see your face. This is what Babe is wearing. Same thing. He kind of stole my fly, except for he is wearing his Jubilees outfit. Y'all, you just gonna stand there like that? All right. All right, get, okay. And we out of here. We gotta go.